Hello everyone. Want to use a cloud database instead of Excel or spreadsheet? Try Supabase today. Here's how. Log on to supabase.com and create a new account. Create a new project and fill up all the necessary details and remember the database password because we'll be using it later. Try to select the region closest to your users and create a new project. Wait for the provisioning, which will take around 1 or 2 minutes. Once done, create a new table. Add a name for your table. And uncheck Enable Row Level Security. Here you will find the columns for your table, where you can import spreadsheet too. I'll make some changes for the columns. Well, it's something you should be familiar with, right? In Appsheet, let's add the data source. Go to Account Settings, look for Sources, add New Data Source. Here you will make the selection for Cloud Database. And fill up all the details based on your Supabase database details. Those details can be found in the settings below. Go to Database, and you will find all the required details here. For servers is host combined with port number. Paste it in server. Use Postgres for database and username. As shown on the screen, use the password that you set for the project created in Supabase earlier. And once all set, click on Test. If all is good, you will see the Authorized Access option. Now your new cloud database is connected. Let's create a new app. Select the cloud database. Go to Schemas, Public, Tables, and select the table you have created. All done, let's have a look. You can see your table in the app. Let's add some data. And now let's see how it looks like in Supabase. And there you have it. Your database is now connected and working. You can add more columns easily. And once added in Supabase, don't forget to regenerate in Appsheet. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.